Are there any other organizations like yours that you compete with?
I wouldn't say we would compete with other organizations. We work with them. So if we have individuals or families that come from other cities, we try to find which organization is best suitable for them that in that area. So, instance, if someone comes from the San Fernando Valley, there's Alley Family Housing that we work with, and we would refer them to them because it would be more practical for them to receive services there than come all the way out here in the San Fernando Valley.
Awesome. Is this location often more busy or less busy than others?
It's probably around the same for the most part, but I mean, there's other areas that have more population, as City of Los Angeles and the San Fernando Valley, so I'm sure they get more foot traffic there than here, but we still get a decent amount of business.
All right. Does this company do anything to stand out from others?
We try to go to different resource fairs, get our name out there, like I was saying earlier. I go out into the community and try to get those individuals to come and receive services, and we just try to have fundraisers and try to just resources and try to get our name out that way.
Perfect. What times of day are usually the busiest?
Probably the mornings. In the mornings is when our clients come from the shelter, so we get a shuttle that drops them off at the office if they need services, and we get a lot of walk-ins in the mornings as well, and probably the late afternoons when we get a few walk-ins and a lot of phone calls trying to make appointments, and a lot of people coming in at that point too.
All right, perfect. What seasons are your busiest?
Probably the winter. It's during like the rainy season, because I know there's a lot of individuals that sleep outdoors, and when it's raining, it's kind of makes it difficult for them to be outdoors. And during the winter months, is we have our winter shelter, which is first come first serve, so those individuals can get into the shelter easier than it is at other times.
Okay. Are there typically more families coming in or more individuals?
Probably more individuals. There are a good amount of families as well, but there are always more individuals coming in. There's a lot of single adults.
All right. What percentage of your clients would you say are youth or minors?
Probably about a third, maybe a little less, but for the most part, that category falls into our TAY age, so transitional age youth, which is from about 17 to 24, 25, depending on agencies and stuff, but probably, yeah, I would say about a third or a little less than that.
All right, and is it usually more elderly or younger people?
There's a mix of elderly and there's a mix of younger people, so I'd say about maybe like half and half. There's like between that age.
Okie doke. And how long do people tend to stay with your organization?
Like it depends on the individual. Some individuals come in, seek services, and you don't see them because they kind of passing through and just kind of like to be on the move a lot. And there's other individuals that want to seek services and wait till they get housed, which could take a few months for them to get what they really want.
Awesome. Well, that is all the questions I have. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.